Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a Venmo account for nonprofit organizations. So here are the steps that we need to follow. First is to create a PayPal for nonprofit's business account. So you just have to log into your PayPal nonprofit business account and then click on the business tools and tap on get started. And then from there, you can create a Venmo account or log into your existing Venmo account and build your charity profile, then preview your profile, then tap on publish. So here you can also follow visit this website. It's the www.jotform.com. So here you will have the steps to setting up Venmo from nonprofit organizations. So here are the specific. Here's the picture, and then you can then go ahead and tap on donate. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!